What is going on, guys? Listen, I've done a lot of siliconing in showers, but this thing is the best. It actually makes life so much easier. It's not even that expensive. I think I got it for 10, 15 bucks. Even if you're doing it once, it's not that expensive where you can't just not afford to buy this thing. It just makes life that much easier. I'm telling you, you just literally just put the caulking on, spray it with a light soapy water, and you just tool it right off. And I'm telling you, it was amazing. It makes a mess in terms of like, it picks up a lot of silicone, so have a few rags or paper towels handy. But check this out. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, I'll put the link in the description. A little commission comes my way, much appreciated. But this thing is honestly worth every penny. Don't do that.